Have you ever felt like your body just isn't on the same page as you are anymore? Like there's a gap between your desire for intimacy and your body's ability to respond? If you're a man over 50 and you know that feeling, I want you to listen to me very closely. What if I told you that in the next 30 minutes, you could discover a simple, natural step that might help bridge that gap? A small ritual that could help you feel more comfortable, more connected, and more confident. I'm Dr. Iris Stone, and for years in my practice, I've seen too many men accept a decline in their intimate health as just an inevitable fact of getting older. They resign themselves to it. But what if we looked at it differently? What if we saw it not as an ending, but as a new chapter that requires a new approach? Today, I want to share with you one of those approaches. It's gentle, it's natural, and it focuses on one of the most fundamental principles of health: circulation. Now, before we go any further, I need to be very clear. This is for educational purposes. This is not a substitute for personalized medical advice from your own doctor. Your health is unique, so please, talk to your doctor before you try anything new. So let's talk about what's really happening. After 50, blood flow changes. It's a simple physiological fact. The intricate network of blood vessels that supply the pelvic region may not be as efficient as they once were. This isn't a personal failing, it's a natural shift. And when blood flow to that area isn't optimal, it can directly impact sensitivity, responsiveness, and overall comfort. It can quietly chip away at your confidence, and you start to feel like you're losing a part of yourself. But here's the good news. There are gentle, proactive ways to support your body through this change. The method I want to walk you through involves a specific application of castor oil. Now, I can already see some of you raising an eyebrow. Castor oil? Really? But stay with me. This isn't about drinking it. It's about a targeted, topical technique that leverages traditional wisdom with a modern understanding of physiology. And this is the most important part of our entire conversation. You never, ever apply castor oil directly to the genitals. I will repeat that. Never apply it to the sensitive genital skin. The goal is to support the circulatory pathways that lead to that area, not to irritate the delicate tissue itself. So let's get practical. Here is exactly what I want you to do. First, preparation. You'll need about half a teaspoon of pure cold-pressed castor oil. That's it. Just a small amount. Pour it into the palm of your hand and rub your hands together to gently warm it. Next, placement. This is where precision matters. I want you to apply the oil to two specific areas. The first is the inner groin, about 2 inches to the side of your pubic bone on the left and right. The second is the very top of your inner thighs, right where your leg meets your torso. These are key junction points for the blood vessels we want to support. Now the massage. Using the pads of your fingers, I want you to use a gentle circular motion to massage each of these areas. Do this for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You're not trying to dig deep into the muscle. You're using a moderate, comfortable pressure. The goal is to stimulate circulation, not to cause discomfort. This should feel soothing. Finally, timing. This is the secret ingredient. Perform this entire ritual about 30 minutes before you plan to be intimate. This window gives your body the time it needs. Time for the oil to be absorbed, and, more importantly, time for that gentle massage to signal to your nervous system that it's safe to relax. And that's the real science here. It's a beautiful 2-part process. The castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a natural compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help support healthy localized blood flow when massaged into these gateway areas. But just as important is the massage itself. That gentle, repetitive motion actively calms your nervous system. It tells your body to shift out of fight or flight and into rest and digest. And when your body is truly relaxed, everything works better, including intimate responsiveness. So, What can you realistically expect? Every man is different, but many men who try this report a noticeable difference. The first time, you might just feel a gentle warming sensation and a greater sense of ease. After a few times, you may notice a subtle improvement in sensitivity and comfort. And with consistent use over a couple of weeks, many men report a significant return of confidence. They feel more connected, more present, and more in tune with their bodies. Some even sleep better, because when you relieve a source of quiet stress, your entire system can finally rest. Now, to make sure you do this safely and effectively, let's quickly cover what not to do. 1. Don't use more oil. More is not better, it's just messier. Half a teaspoon is all you need. 2. I'll say it one more time. Never apply it directly to the genitals. Stick to the groin and upper inner thigh. And 3. Please, do a patch test. 24 hours before you try this for the first time, put a small dab of the castor oil on your inner forearm. If you see any redness or irritation, you'll know your skin might be sensitive to it. You have nothing to lose by exploring this, and potentially a great deal of comfort and confidence to gain. This isn't a magic potion, it's a mindful practice. It's about taking 30 minutes to intentionally care for your body, to support its natural systems, and to reclaim a sense of agency over your own well-being. Your journey to feeling like yourself again could start tonight. Thank you for trusting me with your health. I'm Dr. Iris Stone, and I'll see you in the next video.